Okay, now we proceed to the next property, which is the sixth property in the notes, division by S for inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so let us see division by S property. Number 6, division by S. Okay, this is a property, division by S. Okay, so we have in the notes, we have what is division by S. So Laplace inverse of any Fs divided by S. This is what we call division by S. Any Fs divided by S is the integration from 0 to t. We just differentiate. Okay, remember our Laplace of integral? So we divide by S. Okay, so differentiate of fu, because we want to differentiate integrate respect to u. So this one is the ft. Actually, this one is ft. When we put into the integral, the u becomes t. Okay, so let us look example A. Laplace inverse of 1 over s square plus 16. Say this is a question. So if you see this question, you can use either partial fraction, or you can use property division by S, because we have division by S over here. See, division, this is division by S. So if the question, depending on the question, is the question ask for use property, then you use division by S property. If the question asks for partial fraction, then you use partial fraction. Don't mislead the question. Please follow the instruction of the question. Okay, so now we use division by S. So division by S, what happened? So the question says Fs divided by S. This is the property. Fs divided by S. That means we have to match this question with the formula. So we have to identify the S. Okay, S here. So this is the S. That means other than this is Fs. This is Fs. So when this Fs divide by S, so that means we have to put Ft over here. That means we have to inverse this Fs to get Ft to be put here. This Ft to be put here. So that means we have to inverse this Fs, right? So we inverse 1 over s square plus 60. So we'll get this is 4 square. So a is 4, so 4 at the top. So 4 at the top, that means we have to divide by 4 sine 4t. Okay, so we get this, because a is 4. 4 must be at the top, so the question does not have 4, so we have to divide by 4. Okay, so this is your ft, because we inverse Fs just now. So this is to be put here. So t becomes u. So this t becomes u. So 1 over 4 sine 4 u du. Okay. So where's my duster? Never mind. So that this is all you're working for to find ft. So you just integrate this. So 1 over 4 is constant, take them out, and then you integrate sign for u. Remember, you have to integrate respect to u. So negative cos 4u divided by 4. So 0 to t. So we have negative 1 over 16. So cos 4t minus cos 0, which is cos 0 lah. So 1 over 16 cos 40 minus 1. Okay, you all, this is the answer. Easy, right? It's not so difficult. So have a look at that. And this is example A. So let us show you the other one. Okay, the other example. So okay, I think that's all for now, because okay, we proceed with the other example, which is I'm going to show you. Okay, let me see the different kind of question. Okay, show you C. Okay, C. Okay, C is, what is the question for C? 1 over S square boleh ke? Boleh. Okay, 1 over S square S minus 1. Okay, let us try this. Okay, so for this one, see the difference between this with A is we have all division by S, just division by S. So now we have S squared. That means you have to integrate twice, just like that. Okay, so that means what we do is Laplace, and we have to identify, we have to find 1 over Laplace inverse 1 over S minus 1 first. See? Just take division by S first, like this, from here. Okay, so now we identify from here, we'll identify your Fs. So integrate, we have division by S, so integrate 0 to T. Okay, so Fu here, Ft here is inverse of 1 over S minus 1 is E, A is 1, Et. So in this integral, Eu. Okay, so du for the first division. Okay, so we integrate EU respect to EU divide by 1. So 0t, so we have Et divided by minus 1. Okay, for this. So this is only divided by S. So we divide this again, this by S. 1 more S. Divide this by S. So again, if we divide this by S, we get this. This is the question. So when we divide again, that means we have to integrate again. Okay. So we have to integrate again 0 to T. So what is Fs over here? 1 over S minus 1. This one, Fs. So the Ft is this one, right? So your Ft now is EU1 du, because our Fs is 1 over here. Fs is 1 over S minus 1. So 1 over S minus 1 is, the Ft is this. So we put here. Okay. So we integrate EU minus U. 0t, so Et minus t minus 1. Right, so that's all. This is the answer. Put the limit in, and then we get equals 0 minus 1 minus 0. Right. Okay, that's all for now for for C, A and C, right? So that is division by S property. So now we conclude our Laplace inverse property. Okay? Bye. Thank you.